Hey you guys, welcome to another home tour, but this one is a brand new home in Rocklin. This is in Placer County, right beside Sacramento County, California. Beautiful home. Everything is brand new. I'm gonna take you right to it. But yeah, it is 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Reason why they say 4 to 5 is because you've got an area that is for your office. But if it doesn't have a closet, technically it's not a bedroom. So that's why they always put 4 to 5. Look at the floor right here with the tile, hexagon. Large ceilings. And this plan is very, very open and spacious. And then right now it's going for 1.5. This has closet, so this would be a primary, one of the primary bedrooms. So say if you got a family member, they can definitely stay here. Well, you know, like in-laws. Yeah. Beautiful fixtures though. And this was done by a local builder here in the Sacramento area. And they have the other one right next to this coming up here pretty soon. And I'll try to get a tour of that one as well. But yeah, you're so close to plenty of shopping by the Rosebud Galleria. And we have great schools in Rocklin. With Rocklin Elementary, Rocklin High, Springview Middle School, definitely good. And by the way, we are in the old Rocklin subdivision too. Yeah, as I said, super spacious, very well designed, beautiful home. Pot filler right there, which actually comes in handy too, especially when you're cooking quite a bit of things. And this is your fridge right here, built in. By Thermador. These are right there. Pantry area right here. I'm really glad that the builder decided to stage the home. Because usually with local builders, they don't really stage it. They just build it and say, hey, here you go. But definitely glad that they did that because it shows very nicely. Let's take a look outside. And the crazy thing is this home sits on about a little over half an acre. So you can do plenty of things to the backyard. It is definitely a blank canvas. Endless possibilities. Definitely like the California room with the light fixtures. Well, recessed lighting. And they took out the screen so it'll show better. But yeah, really, really huge lot. And usually with new homes, you do not get a huge lot anymore. I think Toll Brothers still does that. And then probably Gold Hill can accommodate that just a little bit, but nothing this big. cool thing with this home too is that it has 2 AC units, huge ones, as you can see right here. And then no solar panels on this one. Yeah. Let's go back inside. Take a look at the rest of the house. We're gonna start off with the other bedrooms to the left. This will be one of them right here. Very spacious. Love the wall texture. High quality. Sliding door here. To the bathroom with the hexagon tile. Beautiful vanity. Man, and I love the design of the shower and tub combination. Very, very elegant. Okay. And then what's good about this home too is that the home is facing north. And then so when the home sets, when the sun sets to the west, you won't get as much heat as you think you would, especially in this hot climate in the Sacramento area. And this is another room right here. And yeah, so when the sun sets, it's gonna set that way, so you will not have as much sun or as much heat in the house. This room will probably be the hottest one during the summer because of the windows. But with the house being right there, it won't be hot for long. Laundry room right here. Love the tile floor. Plenty of cabinets and a sink. Linen closet. Well, linen cabinets. Now go to our garage. This one is a big 3-car garage. Tankless water heater, which is a big tankless water heater. Definitely good space. Right. And last but not least, we have our last primary bedroom. With a closet to the left. Boom. And boom. Large window for tons of natural light. Definitely got your fan right there because summer does get hot, but with the 2 AC units, won't be hot for long. Now this ensuite is amazing. So you got the sensored lighting. Tall mirrors. Man. Beautiful marble flooring. That's gotta be a 72-inch tub. Right behind is your shower. Gorgeous. Then you've got your really big closet to me. Hopefully you think the same thing. If not, that's okay too. But definitely good size. and separate free bathroom. But yeah, thank you guys so much for taking a look at this place. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Leave a comment or subscribe if you like it. And if you got any questions about possibly purchasing it, let me know too in my email or comments. Have a good one.